Hey, what's up everyone? So in this video we are going to discuss 10 cool things that you can do with your Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. So starting off with the number one thing, and it is the walkie-talkie feature. Just like the Apple Watch, we can now talk or communicate with 2 or more people having Galaxy Watch 4 smartwatches. For this you have to install an application from the Google Play Store, and it is an official application from Samsung. Its link is also down in the description, you can check it out. Here just open up the walkie-talkie application from the menu and click on invite. Now you can either choose contacts or people nearby. If you tap on people nearby, it will create your own walkie-talkie channel. But keep in mind that this feature is only compatible with Galaxy Watch 4 or Watch 4 Classic connected to an Android phone. Moving on to the next tip, now you can make your Galaxy Watch 4 and Watch 4 Classic a bit snappier. As you know, both smartwatches are running on Wear operating system from Google, which means now you can try out cool stuff hidden inside the developer mode. And to enable developer mode, go into settings present in menu and tap on about watch present at the bottom. Now click on software and tap multiple times on software version. Now go back and tap on developer options. And here scroll down to change window animation scale and transition animation scale to 0.5x. Now you're making your Galaxy Watch 4 kinda quick by those fast animations. What do you think about it? Let me know in the comments below. Next on the list, we can now remap these 2 buttons present on the right side of the watch. The first key is the home key, and single tapping it will take me to my main watch face, while double tapping it will take me to the most recent app. You can change it by going into settings. Now tap on advanced features present here and choose customize keys. Tap on double press option. I mostly use it for any app shortcut like compass application. While long pressing the first key will trigger Bixby, and you know Bixby is still not up to the mark of Google Assistant, so I use it for power on/off menu. Hopefully we will see Google Assistant pretty soon with a new update from Samsung. Talking about the second key, it is also remappable, and I use it for checking out my recently used apps which are present in the memory, and I can close them at once with this method. Next cool thing is related to answering and rejecting calls directly from your watch. Basically you can use your hand gestures for this process, and to do this you have to go into settings. Now tap on advanced features, and here under gestures select answer calls and turn it on. Also you can see the hand movements here, which kinda demonstrate that how you can use this feature. Go back and turn on this dismiss call feature with gestures, and now simply you can dismiss any call with these special wrist movements. It is especially helpful when you're driving or doing some work. Next on the list, now you can take screenshots on your Galaxy Watch 4. A lot of people already know about this feature, but if you're a newbie Galaxy Watch 4 user, this will be really helpful for you. Just press these 2 keys at the same time to take a screenshot anywhere on the Galaxy Watch. It will be saved to your gallery application on watch. Go to gallery app in the menu, and here you can either see the screenshot or you can transfer it to your phone by long pressing on the image. Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 comes pre-installed with camera controller application. You can check it out from the application menu. Make sure you have a compatible smartphone for this process, because for a lot of lower-end Galaxy devices it will not work. Just open camera controller app from the menu, and it will automatically open camera viewfinder of your Galaxy device. Now you can take pictures just by tapping on the shutter, and those pictures will be saved to the gallery of your phone. If you have sensitive information on your Galaxy Watch 4, you can lock it as well. In order to do this, just go into settings. Now tap on security and choose lock. Also finally we have pattern lock available on this little screen, which is more quick and useful. Moving on to the next thing, you can now control your media and music on your phone directly from your watch. To enable this feature, go to settings. Now choose display and scroll down to show media control. Just toggle it on. Now play any media on your phone, and you can control its volume, forward and backward play just from your watch. I think it is a cool and handy feature. Talking about the next thing, it is the default keyboard that comes with your Galaxy Watch, and for a lot of people it is quite difficult to type on this type of keypad. But now you can finally install Gboard from the Play Store. Its link is also down in the description. After the installation has completed, just go to the settings. Now tap on General and select Input. Scroll down and choose Keyboard List. Tap on Default Keyboard and choose Gboard. So finally it is now easy and quick to type with this type of keyboard. So finally moving on to the last thing, and it is related to health. So Galaxy Watch 4 comes with snore detection and blood oxygen feature. You can enable these two features by going into Samsung Health on your phone and now choose Sleep. Here scroll down and you will see blood oxygen and snore detection. Turn on both of them. Also it is kind of funny, but you can now record snore with your Galaxy Watch. You can read out these simple instructions on your Samsung Health application for better detection. Here I am not talking about ECG and blood pressure as they are region restricted, but I'll be posting videos on how to use them everywhere pretty soon. So make sure you are subscribed to the channel. With that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.